back to my channel and welcome to the weekend vlog. Today we're going hiking. I'm pretty excited about it because it's the kids' first time going. We're going up Diamond Head. Me and Anthony have done this before in the past, and I'm telling you that when you get to the top, the view is gorgeous. So we really cannot wait to go. We're a little bit behind schedule. I had planned to leave no later than 11 a.m. and now it's going on 12 o'clock, and that's not the time I wanted to leave because of how hot it gets around here, but that's okay. We're gonna make do. I need to go ahead and get everything packed up, bringing the kids a light snack, make sure Zai's taken care of. I had to get our water sources together, and the good thing about Zai is that Anthony has a carrier, so he's gonna be on Anthony's back, and he has a little shader that goes on top of his head, over his head rather, to keep the sun out. So hopefully Zai doesn't give us any problems. I know the kids are gonna complain about how hot it is, how their legs don't work, and you know, it's too far. Whatever, we're gonna motivate everyone to get to the top because it's worth it. It's a very good and easy hike. It's a lot better than Cocoa Head. I've done that plenty of times, so there's no reason to complain about this one. I have my fabulous assistant, Miss GoPro Girl. Show them what you're wearing today. The GoPro harness, the track suit. His eyes trapped. Cadence has her shades on, my shades, but she's got it going on today. Say hello, babe.
Hey. Hey, YouTube.
I've got my camelback ready. Anthony's putting ice in his, and we have all of our equipment. Our drone is ready to go. Anthony and his camera. Yeah, we're bringing the drone. Not too sure if we can fly it out there, but I've heard that we could. Hopefully we can. I think we got everything we need. We need to go ahead and go. All of our phones and things like that are charged up. I feel like I need a checklist sometimes, just checking it off as I go. So we are here and we are going all the way up towards the top. That is our final destination. And there's so many lookout points along the way, and I promise you the scenery is beautiful. Zai, I think we need to trade places, hon. I want to be carried on your dad's back. You ready to go? That looks like I don't know what I'm getting myself into, but I'm gonna figure it out today. All right, it's the perfect day today. I think we could do this. You all ready?
Yes.
Right.
You excited?
Yes.
All right. Look at my man Zai. Zai, you got a front row seat, buddy.
Yeah, that's
you got the perfect seat.
It's good enough?
Yeah, he's fine.
The shade
I'll turn his fan on in a minute. Yeah, the shade's over him. All right, well, we're getting ready to start this hike. Lord be with us on this special day. All right, guys, let's take some motivation, some agility, some stamina, and a whole lot of hull. So Anthony passed us already. If you're too slow, move to the right. You okay? All right. Let me know when you're tired. Okay? We'll take it slow. It's not a race. Just gotta make it to the top. Cherelle, let's do this. Oh no, Jesus help me. If Anthony can do it with Zai on his back, then I can do it with water on my back.
You can do it.
I know. Okay, we're inside the tunnel. I'm fine. Whew. After today, I'm really gonna reevaluate myself. I'm coming. It took me 6 years, but I made it.
Which way we going?
Okay,
We're not going up those stairs.
we'll go here and then we'll come back.
No, I'm not going up there. No, this goes the same way.
Do y'all?
It goes up to the same place. There's more views and it's less steep going that way.
What do y'all want to do? Stairs?
It's better that way. You can see more too.
I was trying to push myself today.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna give up on that dream.
Mom, this is easier. Look at the stairs.
Okay, we'll go around this way. Maybe.
Easier.
Thank you.
Don't worry about it.
Beautiful scenic views. It's so much nicer.
Okay, thank you. Okay, well, I'm convinced I'm going around. No stairs today. Maybe next time. My knees are bad too, so. You go up the stairs, Cadence?
Yeah.
Wow.
Can you come down the way?
I'm that bird.
Yes.
Yeah, it goes up to the same place.
Yeah, I know,
You
but
just get a
it's more...
scenic view this way, so
He said you get more view.
that's okay.
Oh, I want to go there.
And come down that way for the view.
Yeah, okay.
I'll go.
All right,
I wanted to go this way.
here we go.
I know I said these stairs.
All right,
I said stairs.
don't run. Be careful. Had to take a break on the stairs. It's not easy. I'm almost to the top. Okay. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming.
If your kids can make it, you can make it too.
You're right. She told on me, huh? Woo.
Come on, Mama.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Ooh, somebody fell down there. There. Yeah, Mom, you should see this. It looks haunted.
Okay, hold on. Let's wait till they come down first. All right.
Come on, Mama.
More stairs.
I keep getting my legs stuck in this ear.
All right, I'm coming
My
up.
legs keep getting stuck in this ear. Is there a ladder? We're not going up that ladder.
You okay, baby? You gonna make it? All right.
Mom, we can't go up there. So the stairs stop right there.
Okay. That means you get off here.
But I want to. Mom, this is such a good workout.
Yeah, it is. All right. All right, 19. Down there is Waikiki. You get to see everything from here. I did that.
Mom, you can see the reef.
Yeah, you can. You can see all the coral, all your $1 million homes, part of Waikiki. So you have one lookout here, there's a couple around, there's one there, and you really couldn't tell, you know, from a distance, which is pretty cool. This is all built in 1908 by the Army. But you know what? I'm gonna go to the helicopter pad because I feel special today.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, booby? You doing okay? Good.
Wait, is the fan on?
There you go.
Andrew, you have to make me puppy. Mama.
We're out of here.
Take a picture. Yeah. Yeah, there's no way.
Say cheese.
If you want some love, just let me know.
Time to make our way back down. Everyone made it. No one complained. Everyone enjoyed it.
Come over here.
And now it's time for a treat.
Come down and make it.
But everybody made it.
Now, so if you had to rate their pineapples, how would you rate it?
I don't know. I've never had pineapple juice here.
Get out here first. So, Mom, there's no lime. That's good.
Now, that's how you pull a pineapple out.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That is so satisfying.
How was it? Is it good? Okay. Should have got you all a cakey size. That's a lot. That's very big. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. As you can tell, it was a challenge for me because I almost didn't make it. I will catch you all next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you all later. Bye.
I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to the